Today I'm going to be doing a very easy and simple cocktail, Pina Colada. All you need is rum, pineapple juice, and coconut milk. 3 simple ingredients. So I'm going to show you how I make my Pina Colada in less than 3 minutes. I've got my rum, my pineapple juice, and my coconut milk. So I'm just going to wing it. I'm not going to be using any precise measurement, but even though I said I'm going to wing it, what I'm going to use is this glass. So when it comes to Pina Colada, the requirement is whatever amount of pineapple juice you use, then you use half of that amount in coconut milk and half of that amount in rum. The reason why I'm not using a specific measurement at the moment is because it depends on how many people you're making Pina Colada for. So I'm going to fill this with pineapple juice. I'm going to half it with rum. I'm going to half it with coconut milk, and you'll see the result. So first things first, you definitely need a blender. And pretty much, that's how your Pina Colada is prepared. Smells good. Here we go. Pina Colada. You could, decorate it with a piece of pineapple, a little umbrella to style it up. Unfortunately, I don't have that at home at the moment, but this is pretty much my Pina Colada. Let me give you a taste test. It's nice. However, this particular Pina Colada, I would have to say, I would like it to be a lot sweeter. So I would have to blame that on the type of pineapple juice that you use. So it's not sweet enough for me, but that's pretty much how it's done. I guess you could add any kind of sweetener to it. Maybe some sugar or sugar syrup. And then that would add up sweetness if the pineapple juice isn't sweet enough. Let's hope you enjoy that. I surely did enjoy showing it to you guys. So until next time, this is my wife's channel. I'm just bombarding it today because I'm making the Pina Colada.